Metatrader4 winning strategy. This strategy is meant for Metatrader4 and not Metatrader5. I have combined few Forex tools or indicators together to come up with this strategy. The strategy can be used on any pairs. You can use it on cryptocurrencies like BTC, Ethereum, and the rest. This can be used on the Forex pairs like Euro USD, Euro Australia dollar, Euro Japanese yen, as many pairs as you want to check out. This can be used on the indices too, like Nasdaq, US 30, Gamma 40, and the rest. This can also be used on gold. As a matter of fact, I am on gold right now, 15-minute time frame. This strategy is for any pairs you want to trade, but it's not compulsory you must trade all the pairs. Be focused as a trader and trade few pairs so that you know how it behaves on a daily basis. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so, and do give me a thumb up. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. I'm glad to come your way again. Now let me explain how to use this simple strategy. Though there are some indicators that you can use alone, but I decided to combine few indicators together so that it will be more accurate. Now, for instance, this indicator that do give us that this green background color and give us this bar for a buy is a single indicator that can stand on its own, but sometimes it is not accurate, and that's why you need to add one or two indicators to it to make it work effectively. And that was why I added few indicators together. You can check the single indicator and see how it works, but I prefer to combine two indicators or more together to give me more advantage, and that was why I combined a few indicators with this particular Forex tools. Now let me show you how this strategy works. Number one thing you have to look out for, if you will consider this background indicator first that do give us this particular take profit, and I want you to know that this take profit is not automatic. You have to input it yourself in the setting, how many pips you want to go for. It will only draw it on your chart, so it does not determine the take profit. You do that yourself, and that's why we have this board here, so that we'll be able to see what is going on. So at this particular point, this first indicator here gave us a buy signal with that green arrow for a buy, and because I set the take profit, and that was why I have this TP1, TP2 or TP3 buy TPT take profit. And when you see this, and I combine it with moving average, so that I will know if it is in agreement before I place my trade, so that we know I'm not trading against the trend. And the other indicator I added to this particular chart are this indicator. So once both are in agreement also with this particular indicator on the main chart, then I place my trade. But when you check gold clearly now, it has not given us any sell signal, but by my own understanding I know this is going to sell because I have this here at this particular point. I have my indicator here in agreement, and the moving averages did cross, so this is a good setup, and there is in few profit right now. So this is how to use this particular strategy. Make sure you check it out and practice it on demo account. So let's check the history. This does not repaint anyway. The indicator on the main chart does not repaint. Now when you look at this particular point, or better still, maybe as you remove the moving averages, you can add it yourself later. These are the MA26 exponential, and the second one I think is 12, moving average 12, so you can remove it also. So let's see the chart clearly, and if you do not want it, there's no need of adding it. Now at this particular point, before this buy signal that was generated today, we have a set signal here, and that was why I said this indicator is not always accurate, and no single system is 100% accurate. At this particular point, it gave us a sell signal here, and this did not deliver. It will have hit your stop loss, and that was why I use moving averages to confirm this trend before I take my trade. So it did not deliver. Now let's check another day, or look out for another signal. Here is another buy signal. You have a buy signal here, and it deliver also. You can use it on any time frame you want anyway, but this is on 15-minute time frame, and here is 1 hour time frame, so you can use it on any time frame you want. So make sure you combine with other indicators so that it will be accurate, like the way I have it on my chart. There are no need to all the indicators I use for this particular MT4 or Metatrader4 strategy is in the video description. I do include my template so that you have the same chart like mine. But so to set up all this indicator is not difficult. Maybe I will show you in case you want to install it one by one. So the first indicator on the chart is this Scalper Pro indicator, and these are the setting. And when you come to take profit, you see where the value is: 10 pips, 20 pips, and 35 pips. Then the stop loss is 25 pips. So you can play with this all the settings here, all the values here. You can play with it and see how it play out. That is how I normally come up with different strategy. Try to play with all the values and see which one work best for me. So you can play with any of this setting also. So this is Jumbo Changer, and this is where you adjust the value. Now I'm using the 6 here, pair size including previous and service 6. Why is this? NAS is the value is just is NAX 100, that is 6, and you must make sure you use the value of the first pair you have on the symbol changer. If not, the thing will not come up. and that was why I have a 6 here. And if you want to have the time frame here, you can adjust it, and at this particular, anywhere you want this symbol changer to be, either at the right or at the left hand, you can have the value here where you want it to be. And this is the west wave indicator, and these are the values. So if you want to play with it, you can. And these are the value for this also. So that is all the indicators I use beside the moving average that I just deleted. So let me add it back. So and the second value is 26. It's exponential. Let me change this one to maybe yellow. So we have everything together now. So this is more accurate than using the indicator alone that give us this buy and sell. This is better now, and if possible you can do away with it with this kappa indicator if you like, and you still have a good setting. So this is how to use this particular strategy. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you do so, and do not forget to check Forex Factory before you take any trade. The download link to all the indicators I use is in my video description, and in my video description too I did include links to some of the brokers that I use. You can check them out and register with any broker that you like. Before you go live on any broker, make sure you practice your strategy, test it out on the demo account. And I do advise people, if you want to trade either on Metatrader4 or Metatrader5, make sure you only use the value of money that you can deposit if you want to trade live. If you want to start small and the minimum you can afford is just $100 for a start, please do not go for demo account of $5,000, because you will not be doing yourself any good. Make sure you demonstrate or practice with the value or the amount of money you want to use for your live account. This will help you to build your strategy and to be sure that when you put $100, you will trade it profitably. And this is how to go about it if you want to be a good trader. Don't say because it is free money and you can go with $50,000, you are not doing yourself any good. Make sure you practice with what you want to trade live, and this will be good for you. This is all I have for you this morning. Make sure you check it out, and as I said, please stop testing strategy to strategy. I'm only doing this in case you do not like any of the video or the strategy I've posted before. Make sure you only stick to one. Stop changing from strategy to strategy. It will not make you a better trader. Just study any strategy you want, practice it. If you are okay with it, then go with it. Don't say because you use it today you make money for like 3 days and on the 4th day you lose part of your money. And now say you are going to change the strategy. No strategy is 100% accurate, and that is why money management is important. This is all I have for you today. Till I come your way again, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, give me a thumb up, and do download the indicators. They are all free.